Hi everyone, here I've got a LG K51s and let me show you how to change the language. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the bottom and choose the system. And here let's choose language and keyboard. And here let's click on language. And now on you have to click on add language. And as you can see, there is a full list of available languages. So let me choose, I don't know, the French, for example. Wait a second. And to set it as a main language, simply click on this icon and swipe it to the top. And as you can see, from now on we've just changed the language to the French. And if you want to get it back, to get English back, simply just swipe it up. And it has been changed. So actually that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.